It's not even a real ride. It's not even a real ride, Eclair. Like, look, Eclair, it's not even a real ride. There's like nothing under us. Not even a real ride. Should we film this?
Yeah, go ahead. But it's in 3D, so
I've been lying.
can't like.
Look, Eclair's not even a real ride. Nothing's gonna happen.
Jarvis Expo 8, you are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港斯達大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by, the launch door has
發
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射站衝擊光炮。
Not the enemy!
打爛咗道門，唔好意思。各位乘客，前面就係斯達大樓，呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先生所發明最強勁嘅燃反應能源器。呢個燃反應能源器可以，立即接駁閉路電視。
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
史達先生 ，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅燃反應能源器。
Okay, fine. Wait, what? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻發向科技線。
Jarvis, you need to lose some weight there, buddy.
多謝史達先生，飛行穩定器恢復正常。
Just to be clear, this is not part of the tour.
如果燃反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know. Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Get out of here. Go!
Iron Man, what are you doing? Save your honey pie.
Nice work. Let's get you back to the expo.
我哋一齊跟住
Hey, miss me.
佢。史達先生，
1, 2, 3. Hit him hard, Jarvis. Blast him. Good job.
感應器顯示所有機械人已被毀滅。
All robots destroyed.
史達先生小心。
Go! Hey, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, can we take this thing out?
我哋需要增強火力，
More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys.
啟動所有無人駕駛鐵甲號。史達先生，
Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Okay, fire!
我發現咗佢嘅弱點。
You found its weakness. Well, shoot that! Yeah! No! Leaving! Go, go, go! Hi, how are you? Enjoying the tour? Hey.
所有乘客安全無恙。
Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Thank you so much.
啟動冇
Yeah, your power's failing. Shoot the gravity cables.
釋放鋼纜。
Okay, now let's get all of you back to the expo.
史達先生，我哋就嚟到晒啦。
Don't worry, Jarvis. I got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cables. Welcome back. You saved the arc reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. No, dummy. Don't even. Yeah, okay, that's it. I'm turning you into a coin press machine. Hey, Wendy!
請帶齊你嘅隨身物品，喺右手邊離開。多謝。
Please retrieve your belongings.
and exit to the right。请带齐您的随身物品，并从右侧。